I dim the light, I wait for sleep to numb my lonely ache. No rest I find inside my bed, no rest but yawning thoughts instead. And when I sleep, my heart is still awake. This emptiness I feel within will cloud my head and burn my skin. My mind has thoughts no minister could take. Dreams fill